Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating a Coinmarketcap account and confirming your email address immediately. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, to protect your account from unauthorized access. Next, connect an Exchange API key or link a Web3 wallet such as MetaMask to trade through the platform. If you plan to use a centralized exchange, complete identity verification and deposit funds there first. Always keep backup codes in a secure location and never share your private keys with anyone. Open the Markets tab and search for the specific trading pair you want, for example, BTC/USD. Review the 24H volume and recent price action to judge market activity and slippage risk. Use filters to narrow results by exchange, liquidity, and spread for clearer comparison. Check fee schedules and order book depth to estimate execution costs before committing. Prioritize markets with higher volume and tighter spreads to reduce the chance of poor fills. When you decide to trade, open your linked exchange or DEX from Coinmarketcap and select market or limit orders. Enter the exact quantity and price, then review estimated fees and slippage before you confirm the trade. Always set a stop loss and a take profit to manage downside and secure gains. Size your position so you risk 1% to 2% of your capital on each trade. Monitor open positions and adjust orders as liquidity and volatility evolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.